how to find Facebook account by name. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply log into your account. After you've logged into your account, you'll find search button on top right in your screen. In here, simply search the name of the person or account you want to search. After you've done that, simply click on People, which is beside Posts and Groups. And here you'll find all the names similar to the person you have searched. And from here, you can simply look at their page or even add friend. And this is how to find Facebook account by name. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.